Alrighty, next up we've got the deep parallette push-ups, which is probably one of the best ways to get structural length through the shoulder joint, because it crosses the shoulder joint and forces you into that deep range. So we're set up with our parallettes probably fingertip to elbow length apart, so that we can obviously get our chest through, set up like a normal push-up. And the idea is we want to lean forward and come down as far as we can. If we can, we try and get our nose to the floor, and we spend about 2 to 3 seconds there, and you can see all that stress getting through that bicep tendon, anterior shoulder, and obviously pec major, pec minor on the front there. So it's a lot of stress to be putting through that pec, so we need to earn the right to be there, obviously. But once we have, we're gonna have a lot more give, especially if we're playing high level sport or even just general day-to-day life. So to regress this one, we just go straight to our knees, takes away half the intensity off the bat. And what we're looking for here is keeping our elbows tucked together and trying to get as deep as possible, so we do get that strength across the shoulder joint, and keeping our elbows tucked. So this is a really good precursor to move on to like bodyweight dips or bodyweight ring dips, because it allows us to build that structural strength through the shoulder joint and develop the time under tension to develop the tendons.